Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on the Coinbase app. You can buy Tether or USDT on the Coinbase app. First you just launch Coinbase, come here on your home page, tap on crypto, okay? And then from here you'll see trade crypto, right? You can come here as well, or you can tap here on a buy. And then you need to select the asset to buy. So if you don't see USDT here, you can just search up USDT. And then right here, see Tether, you can tap on it. And then it'll take you right here. So you can trade on Coinbase wallet, click on continue, right? Select the network. So let's say Ethereum, okay, whatever network you want to use for USDT. You can use any network, use Ethereum, for example. And then just enter how much you want to go ahead and buy it for, okay? And there you go. You can just click add crypto to your wallet. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.